Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use a lower lash stamp. First, make sure your lower lash stamp is perfectly clean. Any residue can affect the application. Next, apply a light coat of your preferred mascara to your natural lower lashes. This provides a base for the stamp. Keep a small angled brush and a cotton swab nearby. They'll be your best friends for achieving a flawless finish. Now, let's get to the stamping. Dip your lower lash stamp into a small amount of liquid eyeliner or mascara. You only need a thin, even layer. Carefully align the stamp with your lower lash line, beginning at the outer corner of your eye. Press the stamp down firmly, but gently for about 3 to 5 seconds. This ensures the product transfers cleanly and evenly. After stamping, it's time to refine. Grab your small angled brush and use it to fill in any tiny gaps or areas where the stamp might have missed. If any lines appear too harsh, gently dab them with a clean cotton swab to soften the look. For extra definition, you can apply a second, very light coat of mascara to your natural lower lashes, blending seamlessly with the stamped effect. To ensure your beautiful lower lashes last all day, lightly dust a translucent setting powder over the stamped area. This helps to lock everything in place for up to 12 hours. Remember to avoid rubbing your eyes, as this can smudge the delicate design. When you're ready to remove your makeup, use an oil-based remover. It will dissolve the product gently and effectively without harsh scrubbing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.